Hi, I'm Kyle Barkfield with MarineMax Lake Ozark, and I'm here on the 2016 Mastercraft X23 that we just traded for. This is a very, very clean boat. It's got only 200 hours, and it's got the Ilmore 6.2 liter engine on it. It comes with the trailer that you see here as well too. So why don't you come with me and I'll give you a tour of this boat and go from there. So as you can see here at the back of the boat, it's got the Generation 2 surf tabs along with the center auto launch feature, which makes for a great surf wave. And here on the transom you can see you got the transom sundeck seats, which are very nice to lounge on while you are getting ready with your board or if you're just parked at. And you also got great sea deck walk up through the transom as well. So here at the helm, you got your helm seat and you got your signature Mastercraft dash with the aluminum and the gauges, and also with the touch screen. You have your ballast controls and your throttle up here as well, with a nice steering wheel. With this also you have the reversible seating. You got a couple different ways that it'll sit like that, or if you want to make it go flat and have the sun pad out, you have that as well. Goes back just as easy. Reverse flips back in. Got storage underneath the seats. Also your cooler, and also nice storage there. As we move to the bow of the boat, you can see we have the seagrass flooring throughout. You have your battery switch here right on the passenger side. You got your JL audio sub, your wind door. Up front you got a nice bow. You got flip up arm or flip down armrest, and also you have seating or storage underneath the front seats as well. So nice layout on the bow here, really comfortable, and you get some storage as well. So that was the 2016 Mastercraft X23. It's a new trade that we just got in. It's ready for the water. So come see Kyle Barkfield at MarineMax Lake Ozarks, and we'll get you on a demo ride and really check out the boat for yourself.